Yo, what? That's what the fuck happens on J King Vlogs, man. Y'all subscribe right now. So boom, right? Today is gonna be a challenge a little bit, but my steps already ordered. God said my steps already ordered. So you know what I'm about to do? Step on shit. Anyway, the Tahoe, as y'all know, the motor and transmission is out of that bitch. So we gotta push it out of the storage unit and try to get it onto my truck. So that's what we're gonna do today, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna move this hoist out the way, but first, I need to get me a pair of gloves, because everything I touch in this bitch got dirt on it. Shielding like a rodeo. All right, I'm just gonna have to put some disposables on because I don't have time to be fumbling around with this shit. Damn, now I'm out of disposable gloves. I just had 17 of them bitches. I got my gloves, baby. And we are. Got me up all night. Fuck it, I'm on one. You feel me? Now is the challenging part. We're gonna try to wheel and deal this bitch out of there. Oh, Lord. Oh, we dedicated now. I can't do nothing if I try. Oh yeah, we straight. I just gotta come straight back. I'm a smart ass nigga, man. Let me tell y'all why. Let me show y'all why. So we rolled it out, right? I put a wheel chalk here just in case I didn't have brakes and it started to come down. But we damn near out of there. So now I got to figure this out. Okay, get your wheel chalk. Yep. And really, I just need to like roll it this way. Thank God for this hill. Right there, that's gonna have to do it, buddy. All right, so now I'm fixing to take that there truck, back him on up, and put him on the goddamn, right there, buddy, right there. Okay, park brake is on. I got to jack him up, cause how I'm gonna get him on the trailer? How I'm gonna get this on the trailer and it ain't got no motor or nothing? Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Now, have I tried this out before? Absolutely not. Do I think it's gonna work? In the words of Kodak Black, I hope so. We fixing to jack him up. We gonna back the trailer up under him. Put him up under there. Just like that there. All right, I think my jack's back maxed out. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we gonna see. Okay. If this ain't about the sketchiest shit I've ever done in my life, Lord protect us. Wheel chalk, put that in the back, just in case this little park brake fail on me. Okay, then we come down up off this jack some, hopefully not too much. Okay, that ain't too bad. Now y'all gonna see my trailer backup skills. Do I have some? Not really. Now, we hit the beep, beep, beep. Okay, that's not how you do that. Come on, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Straighten up. It's close. I used to hang out every night. Are we looking good? I feel like we kind of looking kind of good. I'm off by a couple feet, so I got to bring it closer. But y'all stay tuned, man. Backing up a truck trailer is not an easy thing to do, but we gonna do it, baby. Okay, so that means I gotta think about this. You know what? Instead of doing all of this backup shit, so boom, hear me out, y'all. I'm really just gonna unhook the trailer and walk it back. Okay. Now, instead of trying to be all precise and shit with my driving, cause I don't know how to back up no damn trailer. Do I know what I'm doing? Sort of. Doing all of this shit on an empty stomach is crazy. Telling you right now, I ain't eat shit and I'm irritable. And the ramp is fucking crooked, man. We're gonna get it done, come on. Yeah, I don't care about that. I kinda should care about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna back it straight up. I'm gonna tell you something now, you were right. Let's see how far I got. Damn, y'all missed the whole shit. I got it up on there. All right, just keep backing up, that's it. Oh, come on, baby. It don't get no better than that. So now we got to strap up them wheels.
Damn. It's a tight squeeze, bud. Tell you what.
What am I gonna do with this? Yeah. Okay. I like it, Picasso. And check me out too. Yeah, we coming. The shop getting some. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. YouTube, what it do, baby? Y'all see what the fuck going on? Yeah, so we got the truck loaded up on the truck and we about to go take that bitch to the scrapyard. I did it with 2 jack stands, baby ass jack stands, a jack, and my truck. That's it. Steps already ordered, baby. Your steps already ordered. Get the step and step on shit. All 2025. Let's go. Look, this where the folks is at. Look at the cranes over there. All this activity mean they open. That's good. I was worried about that. I don't know where I'm supposed to pull up to. We live, baby. I don't even know what to say, but we here, man. I'm excited as fuck. Stepping on shit, 2025, man. Let's go. Fuck, I'm supposed to get in there though. Hey, brother, you know how to get to the where to drop the cars off? Right in there?
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Oh, we going to the cool shit. This shit look like a roller coaster. She said, "You're dropping that off? Okay, you have to go to the left where it's the barn." This is the barn.
The barn.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna sit in this fucking line. I guess they're gonna weigh it. And then once they weigh it, they're gonna give me my money on it and we're gonna get the fuck on. I tried to come here yesterday, had a debacle with the trailer. Okay, boom. But I called them and they confirmed that they was open. So when I called them this morning, they didn't answer the phone, so I didn't know they was open. So the fact that we seeing all this activity, that just tell me my steps already ordered. So I'm stepping on shit. And you could do the same shit. All you gotta do is put one foot in front of the other one and step on shit, all 2025 and beyond. Y'all stay tuned, man. Look, this shit says, that shit almost 12,000 pounds? Damn. This shit weigh 12,000 pounds? Hello. Yeah. Wait a minute, now hold on now. Wait a minute. That means this truck gotta be 7,000. I'm interested, actually. Oh, damn. Look, they got all these cars. She said there's gonna be a line of cars. Maybe I'm supposed to go. Damn. This shit look like the Italian mob movies where they kill a nigga and put him in the car crusher. You don't know what I'm talking about? Huh? I guess I have to take the truck off the trailer. I don't know, they're not telling me nothing, so I'm just taking it off, I guess. Oh shit, look. Look at that. Yeah. Or maybe he can do that with this one.
First side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cover your gun. When you come in here, you park over there.
Oh, okay, that's what it was
saying. You can park it right here because he can take it.
Okay, that's what it was saying. Okay, so do I need to move?
No, it's okay. Right now it's okay.
This time,
side,
okay.
All right.
Thank you. Shit. Yo, what? What the fuck? That's what the fuck happens on J King Vlogs, man. Y'all subscribe right now. Damn! Okay. Gracias, amigo. Tenga un buen día. Okay. Yeah, I see what's going on. Look at that shit. Wow. Wow. Hey, how you doing? Do you need that little slip from me? Thank you. All right, so how do I get paid?
Building across the street right here. Yeah, the first door down here.
The first 2 doors down the hill? Okay, thank you.
So, y'all good. You rode the whole way.
I took the motor in transit. I did a little LS swap.
You work on cars?
I'm working on my car.
That was hard.
Yeah, bro. Had to do a little
And
something.
then got some of your money back off of it.
That's how. Exactly. So you got a tow company?
Yeah.
You do that shit full time?
Yes. That's what I do. My dad bought my first tow truck when I was 2 years old.
He put you in the game.
Yeah. He in the back seat now. He
cruising. Your dad is a contractor.
Yeah, he built houses.
I do pressure washing. So when y'all get that concrete in them houses and shit, yeah.
When I messed around and turned 2 years old, that's when he bought. It's a 1995 Ford Super Duty. That's sitting in my front yard right now.
Damn, what you doing with it?
Put a driver in it. I would like to do that, but ain't nobody really trustworthy.
So you looking for a driver though?
Yeah, I am.
Man, we gonna network, bro. Oh.
Yeah, everybody.
You know, everybody ain't able.
Bro,
Everybody ain't able. That's why you can't find no driver.
Why it's hard.
That's the reason. These new niggas don't know how to drive no stick shit. Matter of fact, shout your company out.
Oh, that's what's up.
All that.
Man.
We're gonna put you on YouTube. I got a little
That's
YouTube
cool.
channel.
I'm the owner of Bumpers Towing Services, LLC. We out of Riverdale, Georgia.
Out of Riverdale, Georgia.
Yep.
So if you need a tow, Bumper gonna get you right.
Yeah. Yeah, my Instagram is mybookbagfield.
There you go, my book bag Phil. Y'all seen it first. Check him out. He gonna get you right. And y'all get your pressure washer. Y'all know where to get that from. They talking about a check though. I don't know how I'm feeling about that check. I thought they was gonna give up the money.
Oh, man.
My G, hold it down. Good to meet you, bro.
Perfect. And then when I get to the car, I'll just take a picture of my card and send it to you.
For sure that.
All right, bet. Follow me on IG, bro.
For sure. Hello. You need this? My ID?
What's the wasted time? I'm like, I need to try to get across.
All right. Thank you. And just like that, we out. So we had a smooth little transaction. Got some money on for the fun on. And then we go, now we got to go drop this U-Haul shit back off and go get something to eat. Y'all stay tuned.